Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to grant access to your Gmail account to another user. So what you want to do, just simple, go ahead and click the settings on your account here in Gmail. Click and see all the settings there. Then click on account and import. You'll have an option that says grant access to your account. So you want to go ahead and you can choose here. And all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click add the account. Now from here, you will have this little window up here where you need to go ahead and first, go through the verification process. So it says verify it's you and you want to go ahead and enter your email address. Now, you want to go ahead and ensure that you enter the country code. So in my case, I will need to choose whatever I need to. And I'm going to go ahead and add that. So let me go ahead and enter the phone number as an example. Now from here, you should receive a code to your phone number once you do that to verify. So you just need to wait for that code to appear. And once that code appear, you just need to go ahead and enter that number here in the Gmail. Go ahead and click on next, guys, because you need to verify that it's you. Once you verify, you have the option to enter that email address that you want to grant access to. So you enter the email address, click on next, and guess what? An email is going to send to that account, right? So here you want to go ahead and you can say send email to Grant, right? So you can go ahead and you can click on send. It's going to send a confirmation to that other account. So let me go ahead and open up that email here and show you what that looks like. Here you will see that you receive it. It says that account has grant you access here. So you click on that. And from here, you just need to accept the request. Now, once you click accept the request, guess what? You confirm it and that's it. So it says that it may take up to 30 minutes for the verification to complete and then you can view the account. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now, if I go back to the other account that I have here, right? And let's say go to the inbox, I just need to wait. Now, all you have to do is just basically wait. If I go back to my settings, guys, click and see all settings here under the accounts, you will see that the account email address is added, and so it shows that the person has accepted it, and so you just need to wait. Now while it is there, the person just basically need to wait. Now I'm gonna go back to the other account here and just basically check within the email, and once you're on the second account here that was given the access, all you have to do is just click your profile on the upper right hand side and you should see the second account, right? And that's if you're doing it through Gmail. If you're doing it through another account, it's going to be a bit different, but this is basically how you do it for Gmail. So once you do that, you'll see the account, you click on it, and guess what? You should be able to log into the email. And as you can see, this is the second account and I'm able to log in to that email account by using this address, right? By using the second email address. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and grant access. Now I'm going to go ahead and close out here, but that's how easy it is to basically grant access to your Gmail account to another account. And that's it.